Hi.
Hi.
And we're headed to Cusco. I didn't think such thing existed. Fear before emergency door. I guess it's just for this airlines. You have more leg room. You know what? You can actually feel it. The moment you step out of the plane, for every breath you take, it's like one less oxygen. It feels so heavy right now. They have mate de coca leaves to help you with the altitude sickness. We actually had mate de coca tea just before our flight. This is the thing that you're gonna feel when you get to Cusco for all the travelers. Update number 2. We could actually feel it. It's not that bad now, actually. My heart was racing. You're literally close to the sky. As long as you take like precautions, it's fine. So yeah, I'm making friends again. Yeah! Bye! 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 Whoa! Hello, Cusco! We got 10 minutes to prep. Oh man, it's actually hitting hard. Like half an hour after you exit the airport.
12 seconds later.
Vast. Whoa, hi. Oh my god. Oh, Llama. How's it going, party people? Update number 3 on how I'm feeling right now, or how Sayak is feeling right now. It's actually been
2 hours later.
since our arrival. I'm not gonna lie, the altitude sickness is knocking me out. Definitely highly suggest you take the coca tea, coca candy. I think I took like 2 already for the day. I want one of those. I want to smuggle one. I tried jogging just back to the car and I started feeling nauseous. It only took like 4 seconds. Whoa. Update number 5, 4. I can't go party people right now. I'm legit near incapacitated. I feel like I'm gonna puke. My body's feeling wiggly. Don't do what we did, where we actually booked an adventure right after we landed in Cusco. Right now we're just really taking it slow. To any future travelers, if you're gonna book any trips in the airport, ask them if it's all inclusive. For me and Sayak's situation, we were told that everything was included, but when we got here, we were told we had to pay. Just keep that in mind to ask about the tour. If it's just like hiking, whether you take it slow, it worked when you take it slow. Don't do anything fast, like even talking. Take your time. We were not ready for that. Update number 7, I think. This is completely off the topic of altitude sickness. This driver, he drives close to the cliffs. What are the symptoms of that? Probably heart attack, anxiety, possibly death. Just thought I'd share that. Rules are rules. Update number 8. Forgive me, I lost count. I'm actually feeling better now. My head still feels a little lightheaded, but I've regained half the energy I had before. Right now I get to be half party people. Woo! This place is such a grand treasure of Peru. I highly recommend visiting this place. Update number 9. It's the ascent that will give you the problem, not the descent. Regardless of how you ascend, whether it's slow or fast, it's still going to be there. But it's still suggested that you take it slow. Follow through from the last update. It's been about
6 hours later.
since my arrival to Cusco. We're just heading back to the hotel. We'll see where this altitude sickness sits with us right now. Don't drip, don't drip, don't drip.
Hold on to